Hello, hi. My name is Syed here from the Green Apple Project. Okay, it's been such a while since I come out with a video. The reason being is because we are finalizing some of the projects that we're going to do in 2016, and we are also in the midst of preparing for a camp which is going to happen tomorrow. Okay, every year Green Apple Project will create a camp, invite all of our youth who wanted to attend as part of TTAP giving back kind of thing. And by the same time, we are also doing a camp for a group of students. They are very special, they are very unique, and they are this group of students who can only be better. Yeah, of course, better. Okay, so I just want to share about alamak, a slip of the hand. sorry. Because you see my wife is driving. Okay, my wife is driving. So not me. Okay. So I can be on the video. So what gonna happen is this. Yesterday I had a chance to meet up with a person, and a very kind lady who actually give me a brand new shirt and some food for my wife. And she was following some of my posts, and suddenly she messaged me, hey, I want to give you some stuff. I said, okay. So we go down and talk to her kind of thing. So and then she was trying to do business, and that's why she was following some of my posts. And I feel very thankful that I'm able to share certain thing and people can use it almost immediately. Okay, but there's one thing that she was sharing with me that I was finding quite disturbing. It seems that there are people who are telling her that, oh, cannot charge so much because we cannot make so much profit. Because there are people who gave her the impression that if you are charging too expensive, that is called interest. I was like, huh? What? That really made me going. So let me explain to you interest. Okay, if the bank were to give you a loan of $1,000 and they say that you have to pay me back within a certain amount of time, and every month there'll be a 1% surcharge, that's interest. Okay, and technically speaking, as a Muslim, interest is wrong. We cannot accept interest. Okay. Then on the other side, unfortunately, we are living in a world where we have to pay interest. Well, that's not for me to decide. They have to answer for themselves. So on the other side, profit is like this. If I were to sell you certain thing, and that thing say cost me $1, but I sell you $10, I make a $9 profit. That is legal at all level. Okay. For example, how much do you think the iPhone really worth? I don't know, but I can guarantee it's maybe it's 100% more than what we are paying for. I don't know. Just a suggestion. Because have you ever seen many shops that they say, oh, clearance sale, 70% off? Why do you think they can give so much percentage? 70%, 50%, 60%. No? Why not 100%? Right? Might as well, right? Because they have already, this is logic. If they want to give you a 70% discount or 50% discount, you can be sure that the price of the item is 150% or 200%. Okay? So people may disagree with me, people may agree with me, I don't care. Okay? I used to do sales, and this is how we sell. We have to sell 100%. If the cost is $50, I must sell you $150. Why? Then I can give you discount. People ask for discount, we can give. People ask you for this, we can give. Nothing come easy. I remember many years ago, I want to buy a TV from a very well-known retailer. The TV cost me $1,000, $1,200. But because I go through this installment plan, I was calculating, by the time I finish paying, it's $4,000. That is like 300% interest. That's interest, not profit. So guys, look, if you want to do business, but please learn. Do not listen to people. Do not hearsay. And if you want to listen to anybody, listen to somebody who have really done business, not some entrepreneurs who just started business and they want to teach you how to do business, or somebody who just graduated from some school of entrepreneurship. It doesn't work that way. You have to learn from somebody who is experienced, who understand the market, who understand the economics, who understand the people. You know, you get my point. So please understand between what is profit, what is interest. Profit is legal at all costs. If I were to have to make profit, is my you know, nobody can say anything, because profit even in Islam is halal. There's no such thing as, oh, I cannot make certain amount of money. No. Okay. So you can make as much money as possible. Doesn't matter. So, but interest is what we should avoid. Okay, because in terms of buying, there's always buying and selling. Interest, nothing. It's just like I give you $1,000. I know that every month you have to pay me extra $100. That's compound interest. And there's also another set of interest where, okay, the interest per year is 24% or 12%. So one time. I don't understand so much, but I understand that the difference between interest and profit, interest is not right, okay, and the amount can change, but profit is legal at all costs. So guys, or ladies and gentlemen, if you want to do business, so just charge whatever you want to charge, okay? It's not wrong. You have every right to make as much profit as you want, okay? But please sell quality product. Quality. You cannot compromise on quality. Charge high can, but quality must be as equivalent to what you're charging. That means whatever amount money you charge must be of value to the product or services that you are giving. Okay? So without further ado, it's raining very heavily. I hope you understand the video I'm trying to share, and that's about it. Thank you so much. I'm Syed from the Green Apple Project, signing out. Bye.